out here at Hoorie Hills on Saturday, 21st of December. Feeling pretty good, pretty cursed. Great day. The track's a bit wet and slippery, but makes it a bit of a challenge. Yeah, over and out, mate. Start right here, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and then just move down there or just wherever you want to go. Ah. Oh, I thought you were gonna do like boost stuff. Pretty tired. Yo! You're right in fucking me, bro. Fucking A. That's me, yeah. Yeah, but fuck your work. Boy, that's what position do you get to the top of it and your arms just like, oh. Bro, that's the most fun fucking ever had, bro.
Try to live the life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light, Seagull with your life like. Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Dreaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they needing me. Like a Tyler Perry did a movie for BET, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it through your piece. Tell me what your life like. Turn it down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way. I'm being on my best though. Lock up on a text though. Nothing else next though. Not another word, let a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really wanna rest so. Man, it's really life-like. Everything in my life. Arguing with my dad and he said it ain't Christ-like.
Fucking good day, boys.